Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss how to find remainder using Toshan's method. This method says that when a power t divided by p, the remainder becomes 1, where p must be a prime number. A comma p are coprimes. Coprimes are the numbers whose highest common factor is 1. Suppose example 6, 17. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6, whereas factors of 17 are 1, 17. In this case, the highest common factor of both the numbers are 1. We can say that 6, 17 are coprimes. We will discuss more about this topic in LCM and HCF chapters. Here T is the totient of P. For finding totient, there is one formula. T is equal to P into 1 minus 1 by P, where P is the prime number. If we take one number 2 power 6 divided by 7, here P is a prime number and A comma P are coprimes. Totient of 7 is 7 into 1 minus 1 by 7, which becomes 6. That means we can say that the remainder in this case is 1. Suppose 2 power 49 divided by 7. Here 7 is a prime and 2 comma 7 are coprimes. We can write 2 power 49 as 2 power 6 whole power 8 into 2 divided by 7. Here 2 power 6 divided by 7, the remainder becomes 1. 1 into, when 2 divided by 7, the remainder becomes 2. That means in this case the remainder is 2. Similarly, suppose 2 power 50 divided by 7, 2 power 6 whole power 8 into 2 square divided by 7. In this case the remainder becomes 1, where in 4 divided by 7, the remainder becomes 4. That means in this case the remainder is 4. Now we will solve some examples. These were the questions asked in previous year SSC exams. When 3 power 258 divided by 17, we have to find remainder. Here 17 is a prime number, 3 comma 17 are coprimes. Here the totient of 17 is 17 into 1 minus 1 by 17, which will become 16. The totient is 16. Now divide this by 16. It will become 3 power 16 whole power 16 into 3 square divided by 17. In this case the remainder becomes 1, since it is in the form a power t divided by p, where p is a prime number, a comma p are coprimes. 3 square divided by 17, 9 divided by 17, the remainder becomes 9. In this case 29 is a prime number, 19 comma 29 are coprimes. Totient of 29 is 28. Now divide this number by 28. The remainder left is 19. Divide by 29. Remainder becomes 19. Here 13 is a prime number. 5 comma 13 are coprimes. The totient of 13 is 12. Divide this by 12. The part left is 5 square divided by 13, which will become 25 by 13. When 25 divided by 13, the remainder becomes 12. Here to apply Toshan's method, the denominator is not a prime number. First we convert this into prime factorization. 3 into 30, it will become 3 into 2 into 3 into 5. 3 square into 2 power 1 into 5 power 1. Now to find totient, the formula is 90 into 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 5. 90 into 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 into 4 by 5. which will become 24. Now divide this by 24. The part left is 7 square divided by 90. When 49 divided by 90, the remainder becomes 49. Also remember some important points. When 4 power anything divided by 6, the remainder becomes 4. Suppose 4 power 100 divided by 6, we can say that the remainder is 4. Next we will see Wilson's theorem. When p minus 1 factorial divided by p, the remainder is p minus 1. Suppose 28 factorial divided by 29, the remainder is p minus 1, that is 28.